Okay, you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sugar Salon TV that you're watching. And what am I doing right here? I'm doing lace wig repair. Lace wig repair. Have you ever had a custom lace wig made and you absolutely love the wig, but it's old, the stitches are coming loose, and so on and so forth? And you absolutely love the wig, but it's just like the wig just almost need to be remade. You had it custom made, and now it's old. You done worn it out. You loved it, but the stitches are coming loose and everything I just mentioned. Or another situation is you could have got a custom lace wig made, and it just turned out horrible. And you want to love it. You absolutely want to love it because you paid money for it. You paid a lot of money for it, but it just didn't turn out like you wanted. And so you just want it remade, and you're absolutely looking for someone who has years of experience with doing this. Or you have a wonderful lace wig, but the cap has a hole in it or a tear in it or just something. So you guys, I'm a licensed hairstylist in North Atlanta. Been in the hair industry over 30 years. I've been making wigs, lace wigs. I'm going to pop a couple of them up in here so you can see some pictures of some that I have made. But you guys, I've been doing this for years. And sometimes, I have had people or clients or new clients, to hit me up and, ask me to make them a wig or, need wig repair, but it's not anything I really put out there that I do that or that I really offer that. You don't really see me marketing that, or I don't even think I have it on my website. It's quiet, it's kept, but why not? I just got a brand new sewing machine, and so I usually, when I make them, I hand stitch them, but now I'm gonna be machine stitching them so they will last even longer. And some of the wigs that I've repaired for clients, or some of the wigs I've repaired for women who were not my clients, I just be absolutely amazed at the workmanship, the craftsmanship, because I be thinking like, what in the world are these people doing? So anyway, you see me, this is a wig that one of my clients, somebody made it for her. She said it really didn't fit all that well, and then she wanted to reuse the hair because she hadn't even had the wig that long. The quality of hair, it seems like a good quality. I like how the hair feels. But, what I'm doing right here, I'm just basically cutting the tracks off from the wig cap. And I'm kind of showing you. Now, I'm not cutting into the tracks, basically meaning how you see me remove the tracks. That's how they were sewn on. And these were hand stitched on with cotton thread. And to me, the stitching was not good. I don't even know who made the wig for her. So I'm not talking about anybody. I don't know who made it. I'm just talking about the quality. I'm giving my feedback on it. Wigs that I've made for clients have lasted forever. And like I said, I've hand stitched them and stuff, and they still lasted. But some of the quality, the workmanship, craftsmanship, to me is horrible. Like, I would never send out a wig to anybody in bad, quality. So, as far as this wig is concerned, I'm going to rate it from 1 to 5, with 5 being the best quality or best workmanship. And I'm strictly referring to rating it on the way that it was made, the craftsmanship, I'm going to give this wig a 2. A 2. And the reason I'm giving it a 2 is because as you see me pulling out the tracks, you see they are kind of like all over the place. Some of the tracks are long, some are real short. It's really bulky up at the top near the lace closure, which is gonna make the hair not lay flat up there at the top. None of the tracks was doubled up. None of them were doubled up. So I'm just giving this a 2. And then the stitching was not good either. And the cotton thread, as well as the stitching was not close together. The stitching was kind of far apart and kind of all over the place. As well as the tracks, like it was nonsensical to me. Like it just didn't make any sense as far as how everything was placed in here. Another thing too is based on what the client said about it. She said it didn't fit right, all of that. So it's just not a good quality, you guys. So, I'll be shocked and amazed at sometimes how people want to say they do this and that, and everybody want to be a part of the beauty industry because it's a multi-million-dollar industry. Some people don't want to go to school and get the education so they can get the licensure, and I just advise people, if you're passionate about it, go to school for it. Go ahead and do what you got to do and get your licensure. Don't just sabotage yourself to where you can only go so high. That's just my personal advice on it. And a lot of people want to be a part of the hair industry, the beauty industry, because like I said, you can make a lot of money. You pretty much are self-employed. You're pretty much your own boss. So a lot of people want to get into this industry, the hair industry, but they don't have the credentials, they don't have the know-how, they don't have the experience, they don't have any of that. So if you're not going to vet them and research them to make sure they have all that, then you're going to end up being out of a lot of money because you're going to be spending money that is going to be just a waste of time, and then you're going to have to spend money again to let somebody correct what they did not do correctly because they didn't have the experience. Experience is key. So I offer wig repair, lace wig repair. It's something that I offer. So I'm putting it out there now. So it looks like I'm down to where I'm almost finished. I just wanted to upload this video, let you see a little bit of what I'm doing. I'm still going to show some more stuff. I'm going to do some more uploads. But I've been doing wig repairs for years, you guys. This is nothing new. I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. I'm experienced. I'm licensed. And I do good quality. I've never made a wig and had a client complain about it at all. So that's the lace closure. And I'm showing you the cap. So if you want to hit me up, if you have a wig that's in disrepair that needs repairing, just hit me up. Or, even if you don't live in Atlanta, you can just ship it to me. Thanks for watching.